So let's open this little package that I got from Closet Boutique. Go follow them on Instagram. I think they do have a TikTok. But okay. So I ordered this kind of like a set. Para ver si me dan ganas de hacer ejercicio, pero pues I doubt it. I'm just gonna wear it to be around the house. So I can do because exercise? Yeah, I don't think so. So this is the set. Oh, look how cute they are. So it's kind of like leggings, joggers. No, not joggers, leggings. It has this like waistband para que te aplaste la lonjita en la panza. And it comes with a top. It's this long sleeve. So it looks like this. It's so cute. I am definitely gonna wear it to be around the house, like doing quehaceres. It's so cute, and she was so nice, and she added this cute necklace right here. It's so cute. And then this pair of earrings as well. She's so sweet, always adding goodies. So this is the earrings. They are so cute. And of course she always adds like a piece of candy. Delicious. Se me acabó la boca. So yeah, let me show you the necklace. So this is so cute. Thank you so much. Okay. Look how cute. It's a layer necklace. Dude, I love layer necklaces. It's so cute. So definitely check them out. And thank you so much, girly. Everything's